Okay, so welcome to the second part where we will solve the last two problems. Okay, yesterday's problems. When we were working with our iPads. Okay, so the third problem says that a survey was made to. I think the survey was called, or the name of the survey was Viajar cada semana. Okay, 300 persons used some services. So the information that you got was through a travel agency. 58% of the 300 persons used the travel agency. So we can find the numbers that if we want to work like the last two problems or all of the other problems that we've been working with. So what is the 58% of 300? You just have to multiply 300 multiplied by this is ugly, so 300 is a 0 times 0.58, so that the answer is 174. So in the same way you can multiply 300 by 0.31 to get the 31%, which is going to be 93. And the other persons that spoke on the phone to the airlines are 35%. So you multiply 300 by 30.35 to get the 35% of 300, and the answer is 105. Okay, so we are going to draw the Venn diagram. I have to decide how many sets I am going to work with. So we have the travel agency online. Some people look for information online on the internet, and others by phone. So I have 3 sets. I'm going to draw my sets here. This is one. So I'm going to move like I did the last one, the last problem, the previous problems. So I have the other one and the last one, my last set. The last diagram for my set is here. Okay, we have it here, our diagram. So let's see. Okay, so my universe is composed, is formed by 300 elements, and I'm going to name the sets. Travel agency, let's call it T, travel agency, and online, internet, let's call it I for internet. I'm going to call it I for internet. And then by phone, okay, by phone, P, let's call it P, phone. So T, travel agency, it's 174. It's a 58% of 300. I already told you how to find the 58% of 300. So it's 174. Okay. Online, using the internet, the 31% of 300 is 93. So the whole circle, remember the 4 areas of this circle must add up to 93. And speaking by phone, it was 105. Okay, the 35% of 300. Okay, what else? In fact, it says, in fact, 60 use the 3 sources of information. Okay, that's very useful information, 60. Okay, remember how we start? Well, we usually start. It's as I told you in the previous video, it's usually a good idea to start with the area in the middle. So 60. 20 as just to a travel agency and the airlines by phone, so it's 20. So 20, right? The travel agency, 20 asked just to a travel agency and airlines by phone. 25 use the airlines and the internet, so the phone and the internet, 25. And nobody used at the same time information on the internet and the travel agency. The internet and the travel agency. So this is 0. Okay, I'm writing the 0 because I mean that there are no elements there. Maybe you will get confused. I hope not. I'm going to leave it there. So I can get the rest of the areas. The 4 areas of the first circle must add up to 174. So 60 plus 20 is 80. How many till I get 174? So it's 94. I'm going to write the answer. Okay. Then I have 0, 60, and 25. So 60 plus 25 is 85. How many till I reach 93? So the answer is 8. Then to the another area, the one below, you have 20, 60, and 25. They add up to 105. So I have no elements here either. Okay, and now what about the outside of the circles? Okay, so are there any people that didn't use in either the travel agency or the internet or the phone? We have to add 94 plus 20 plus 60 plus 25 plus 8 and see if it add up to 300. If they don't, then the missing quantity is the one that goes outside. Okay, outside the circle. So we do that. We add 94 plus 20 plus 60 plus 25 plus 8, and we get the number. We subtract to 300 and we get 93. 93 persons use neither of these services. So let's see the questions. Okay, I completed my Venn diagram, so let's go to the questions. How many travelers use another source of information? Okay, another source other than the travel agency, the internet, or the phone? 93. Okay, the answer of the first question is 93. The second question, how many travelers use just the information given by the travel agencies? That is 94. 94 just use the travel agency information. Okay, so that's the answer. That's the problem. Let's move to the fourth problem. Okay, it says another survey, 500 persons, buyers of cars. It says 269 wanted automatic transmission, 185 wanted separated seats, ergonomical seats, 262 wanted a CD player, and besides 76 buyers wanted automatic transmission and ergonomical seats, 150 wanted the automatic transmission and the CD player, and 92 wanted the ergonomical seats and CD players. These results include the 40 buyers that wanted these three characteristics. So we are given the area between the sets. Okay, first of all, before we move any further, I have to draw my Venn diagram. So my rectangle, that's the universe. That means there are 500 persons. So I write the universe, 500 persons. So how many circles, how many sets am I talking about? It's the CD players, the ergonomical seats, and what? The automatic transmission. Okay, three characteristics. Okay, the problem is telling us also that we have three characteristics. So we have three sets. Okay, the first set, I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to place all the other sets, another one here. I'm going to use another set here. There it is. And I'm going to continue with my Venn diagram. Name the sets. Okay, automatic transmission, let's call it A. Ergonomical seats, let's call it E. Ergonomical seats. And CD player, how can we call it? C? Let's call it C. Or P of a player. Let's call it C. So A, what is A? 269. The whole circle, remember, the whole circle, the four areas add up to 269. Now the ergonomical seats wanted 187, and 262 wanted the CD players. Yes, 40 wanted the three things at the same time. Okay, so there is the area in the middle. So 76 buyers wanted automatic transmission and ergonomical seats. Okay, 76 automatic transmission and ergonomical seats. 76 is this area right here. 76, but I already have 40, so that means that 36 are left for this area, right? Okay, so now 36 plus 40 are the 76 that have the two characteristics, the automatic transmission and the ergonomical seats. Okay, remember that when you are given these numbers, the problem is telling you, in fact, the problem is telling you these quantities include the 40 buyers that wanted the three characteristics. That means that 76 includes the area in the middle. So 36 just wanted automatic transmission and ergonomical seats. Okay? Now, next one. 150 wanted automatic transmission and CD player. 150 automatic transmission and CD player. So that means that this is 110. So 110 and 40 is 150. And 92 wanted the ergonomical seats and CD players. So 92 minus 40 is 52. 52 goes here. Okay, so I have to write the number in the three other areas of my circles. So 110 plus 40 plus 35 for 36 plus the area, that sort of half moon, must add up to 269. So the number is 83. Okay, I do the same with the other set E. And the number is 59. Okay, the area that is left. So the number is 60, right? 60. And is there any number or any elements that are left outside of these three sets? That is the number that is outside the circles. Okay, let's find if there is a number. And yes, the answer is that there are 60 elements left here. Okay, I just added 269, my first circle, and then I added 59, 52, and 60. So, I got the answer, and I have to subtract 500 to that quantity, and I get 60. Okay, so 60 didn't want any of these three characteristics. Now let's answer the questions. It says, how many buyers wanted ergonomical seats but didn't want any automatic transmission or CD player? Okay, just ergonomical seats. 59. Okay, 59. 59. Just wanted ergonomical seats. How many buyers are just interested in two of the characteristics? How many are just interested in two? So the only one, the quantity that of buyers that are only interested in two characteristics are 110 plus 36 plus 52. So what is the answer? So it's 198. And how many buyers don't look for any of these three aspects when they buy a car? Okay, that's what we found is 60. Okay, those are the answers of these problems. Okay, I hope this video helps you to understand this subject. Okay, see you next time. Have a nice day.